Candlelight Systems is your local window treatment and lighting specialist. Starting as a soft fabrics workroom in 1984 for interior designers, Candlelight Systems now is your local provider of a comprehensive selection of fully customized window treatments all in one place. From draperies, motorized roller shades, valances, skylight window coverings, to everything in between, Candlelight Systems has you covered. From a single room revamp, a whole home remodel, or a complete new build, we are known industry-wide as one of the most premier window treatment options in Southern California. Our quality is on point, our dedication to the craft is second to none, and our commitment to customer service is unwavering. With thousands of window treatments under our belt and 40 years of serving and servicing all types of window treatments throughout Southern California, let us be part of your next project. Contact us to schedule your free consultation.